Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get the body attached to the head of the horse. So to do this, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the head upside down with the snout pointing away from me. And I wanna mark row 7. We're attaching the body between rows 6 and 8. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark the center of row 7. By looking at the head straight on, you want to make sure that that stitch marker is directly centered. Okay? So even though the body is worked in a hook size 8, I think it's easiest to attach the body using the same size that you made for the head. So I'm going to be attaching the body in a size 7 hook, even though the body's going to be worked in an 8. I'm going to go ahead and just stitch in the center here. And I'm going to slip in to that center stitch, and I'm going to go ahead and complete 12 single crochet stitches, working in around in a bit of a circle. So I like to do 2 stitches out from the middle and then start working my way up. So stitch 3 is going to go out and up a little bit, stitch 4 is going to go straight up, and then I'm going to start working my circle around. So I'm going to go here for stitch 5, stitch 6, 7, 8. Stitch 9 is going to start working back down. So I'm going to go 9. 10 is going to be straight down. Stitch 10, and then I'm going to close my circle with the final 2 stitches. Stitch 11 and stitch 12. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the first row of the body. I'm going to switch from a size 7 to a size 8 hook to complete the body. So we're going to go ahead and